so I didn't fancy it.
Fine whenever you're ready.
My text.
Oh, he's doing the adventure.
Nah, just go to the left bit.
Are we doing rock climbing?
Yeah.
Go to the left. I don't let me crash.
No, I was a bit worried
Something in my
that
head
you
to
made
say.
it slip at the bottom.
Probably can do it, but you might get hurt today.
Oh. When you went into your little dregs earlier.
Put down.
Came up with just a little something. Got something under my fingernail.
Move away and go for a walk. Come off.
Yeah, this might be mine, Sonny's last one. This one.
Yeah. Gone back.
Yeah.
Go away.
Looks good.
Hello, Tony. Hello, Sonny.
Oh no!
So you're going to want to go back out right again, I think. Yeah, sure. I think it is possible.
Oh, no, custard cream. I would love custard cream. Sonny, do you need a custard cream? Yeah. Okay, what for you?
Yeah.
The grass is made of lava.
My mum reckons when I was little, if I offered anyone sweets or fruits or something, I'd hold the whole bag and just leave one on the top so they could only take one.
Who wants a biscuit? Would you like a biscuit? I'll bring it over.
You look real comfy and stuff.
You get one of them jaws up. Sonny.
That's not like it.
Go on then. Nice, yeah, that's it.
I went for a long one on the first one. One of these. This one on your right. That's a long one. That on the first one. And there's one way you'll know.
I think Sonny's going to keep left
Nice,
on the
mate.
left hand route.
I will.
Whoa!
Would you like a biscuit?
That was cool.
Custard cream?
Well done.
It might have been harder if you did that quickly.
Yeah, I think positionally I was a bit better than you though.
I haven't been doing it.
It was really cool though, really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I think you did it a bit more of a simple way, but I think it was more burly.
I think it was more stupid.
Yeah, I think because mine didn't feel that bad because the feet were quite good. I was like bridging them, so I had time to rest on every handhold.
Tuck them away.
I hope we're playing.
Top row that one there.
Did you jam in
Got
this
top row
group?
that one.
Nope,
Do the same.
I didn't do any damage. No,
Yeah, there's no pressure on us, just one in it. Just
kind of like pinches, side pulls.
Hit on that sharp edge.
Either way.
Yeah, yeah, you've got
I don't
past
need to get the
the
gears
hard
the
part.
time it takes me and Sonny to get up.
Yes, it looks very bare.
Oh, actually, is anyone else?
Really, it's going to be really tricky to
It wasn't too bad. Yeah, it's just a question of...
What's up here? Oh, right, okay, yeah. Depends on this brings.
Oh, what have I got?
Yeah. None of this here is going into
Am I stripping that?
Found a
then?
lock.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, strip that out.
It's
Yeah.
a bit of a shitty
One
lock.
today.
Yeah, I didn't use any locks.
Oh, this is lovely.
Yeah, it really eases out and becomes quite a
stable up. And there's a really loose bit of rock just to the left of it. Like really loose, it's just held in by a bit of dirt.
Nice.
Wrong thing. Where's the dog? What's he just appeared? Up on the top here. On the top here. On the top here. Yeah, just on the top. They can't go rushing over there. Disappearing and appearing again. Just drops over there.
You sure you like climbing that? Oh, I can't see it.
Stop playing. Yeah, did you think that was the next one up?
Yeah, yeah. I was like, Jesus, you're not climbing up to that.
No.
Yeah. Got a long one in there. I put a long one in
I
there.
don't know, I never fall. Remember? That's my Achilles heel, I never ever fall. No, I've had to roll drop.
Did you want to do another one? I'm sit in the sun for a minute and get warmed up. See how my feet feel. Oh, that's the top. What's
Yeah.
the time? Dave?
Yeah, you're in.
Down my thing.
Okay.
Let's go and sit in the sun a minute. Have a look at my book.